Hey there, fellow goal setters. Welcome back to Tiger Intelligence, your go-to channel for mastering your financial journey and unlocking your full potential. I'm Tiger, your guide through the exciting world of financial goal setting. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to take control of their finances. Financial goal setting. 10 tips for identifying your priorities. Whether you're saving for that dream vacation, planning for retirement, or just aiming to build a secure financial foundation, these tips will help you chart your course with confidence. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Let's jump right in. The first step in setting meaningful financial goals is to reflect on your values. What truly matters to you in life? Is it spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or achieving financial freedom? By aligning your goals with your core values, you'll find greater motivation and fulfillment along the way. Remember, your values are the compass that guides your financial journey. Take the time to explore what matters most to you and let those values shape your goals. Now that you've identified your values, it's time to take stock of your current financial situation. How much do you earn? What are your expenses? Do you have any outstanding debts or financial obligations? Understanding where you stand financially is essential for setting realistic and achievable goals. It allows you to identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions about your future. When it comes to goal setting, specificity is key. That's where SMART goals come in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's say your goal is to save money for a down payment on a house. A SMART goal would be, I will save $20,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 3 years by setting aside $500 per month. With so many goals competing for your attention, it's essential to prioritize. Ask yourself, which goals are most important to me right now? Which ones align best with my values and aspirations? By focusing your energy and resources on your top priorities, you'll make faster progress and feel more empowered to tackle larger goals down the line. Big goals can feel overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller, actionable steps can make them much more manageable. Take your largest goals and break them down into bite-sized tasks. Celebrate your progress along the way, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to success. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and your financial goals may need to evolve along with your circumstances. Be open to reassessing your goals as needed, and adjusting your plans accordingly. Remember, flexibility is the key to resilience. Don't go it alone. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family members, or mentors who can cheer you on and hold you accountable. Having a support system in place can make all the difference when it comes to staying motivated and staying on track. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are your financial goals. Stay consistent in your efforts and persist through challenges and setbacks. Remember, every small step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Keep pushing forward and you'll get there. Don't forget to celebrate your wins along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Acknowledging your progress and giving yourself credit for your hard work boosts morale and keeps you motivated for the journey ahead. Last but not least, make it a habit to regularly review your goals and progress. Life is constantly changing, and your goals should reflect that. By staying proactive and adaptable, you'll ensure that your financial future remains bright and promising. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 tips for identifying your financial priorities and setting yourself up for success. Remember, your financial journey is uniquely yours, so embrace it with confidence and determination. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for greatness. This is Tiger from tigerintelligence.com, signing off. Catch you later.